Hey there, DIY enthusiasts and holiday lovers. Welcome back to another exciting DIY project on our channel. Today, we've got a fantastic holiday-themed project in store for you, creating your very own wall-mounted Christmas tree. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the advantages of this unique holiday decor, offer some valuable advice, and share some creative ideas to get your creativity flowing. So, let's dive right into this DIY wall-mounted Christmas tree adventure. Before we jump into the DIY process, let's talk about why you might want to consider a wall-mounted Christmas tree. There are several fantastic advantages to this approach. For those of us with limited space, apartments, or small homes, a wall-mounted Christmas tree is a game-changer. It doesn't take up valuable floor space, leaving room for other holiday decor or even gifts. If you have curious pets or young children, a wall-mounted tree can help protect your delicate ornaments and lights from being knocked over or played with. Traditional trees can be a hassle to set up and take down, but a wall-mounted tree is easy to assemble and store. Plus, you won't have to deal with tangled lights or heavy tree stands. Wall-mounted trees offer a unique canvas for your creativity. You can customize the design to match your style, color scheme, and space. The possibilities are endless. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty and discuss some valuable advice to make your DIY wall-mounted Christmas tree project a breeze. First things first, choose a wall that can serve as the perfect backdrop for your tree. Consider the height, visibility, and available space. Make sure it's a spot where you want to focus your holiday decor. Always prioritize safety when working with tools and materials. Wear appropriate safety gear, follow instructions carefully, and take your time to avoid accidents. Use your saw to carefully cut out the tree shape from the plywood or MDF board. Afterward, use sandpaper to smooth the edges and create a clean finish. You can also round the corners if desired. This is where you can let your creativity shine. Choose your color scheme and start painting your tree. You can go for a traditional green or get adventurous with bold, non-traditional colors. Let the paint dry completely before moving on to the next step. Decide how you want to mount your tree. You can use hooks, nails, or wall hangers to securely attach it to the wall. Make sure it's level and secure to prevent any accidents. Now comes the fun part. Hang your ornaments, lights, and garlands on the tree. Get creative with the placement and arrangement. You can even add a tree topper if you'd like. Add a personal touch to your tree by creating homemade ornaments or incorporating sentimental items. This makes your wall-mounted Christmas tree even more special. Once your wall-mounted Christmas tree is ready, step back and admire your handiwork. Share your creation with friends and family, and be prepared for the compliments to roll in. Now that you have the basics down, let's explore some creative ideas to make your wall-mounted Christmas tree truly unique. Embrace minimalism with a simple, sleek tree shape in a neutral color palette. Add a few metallic ornaments and some warm white lights for an elegant, understated look. Give your tree a rustic feel by using reclaimed wood for the base and decorating with burlap garlands, pine cones, and wooden ornaments. It's perfect for a cozy, cabin-inspired holiday look. Go all out with a whimsical tree that defies gravity. Hang ornaments, tinsel, and lights at different angles to create a playful, magical effect. Transform your wall-mounted tree into a canvas for your artistry. Paint a beautiful winter scene, complete with snowflakes and a frosty landscape, as the backdrop to your holiday decor. Be eco-friendly by using recycled materials to create your tree. Old book pages, wine corks, or even repurposed jewelry can be turned into stunning ornaments. Bring the outdoors in by decorating your tree with pine branches, dried flowers, and natural elements like pine cones and twigs. It's a refreshing and environmentally friendly approach. Create a tree that pays tribute to the past by decorating with vintage or retro-inspired ornaments. Old-fashioned glass bulbs, tinsel, and classic decorations can evoke a sense of nostalgia. Incorporate family photos into your tree design. Hang them alongside ornaments to create a memory-filled, sentimental Christmas tree. Combine different textures, colors, and patterns to achieve a boho chic wall-mounted tree. Add dream catchers, macrame, and handmade ornaments for a relaxed, eclectic vibe. For a magical, radiant tree, use fairy lights as the primary decoration. You can intertwine them to form the tree shape, and the result is a sparkling masterpiece. The right lighting can make or break your wall-mounted Christmas tree. Opt for LED string lights for their energy efficiency and safety. You can attach them to the tree's shape or create a border around it. Warm white lights provide a cozy, traditional feel, while colored lights can add a playful touch. When decorating your tree, start with the larger ornaments and work your way to the smaller ones. Place the largest ornaments towards the bottom of the tree and the smaller ones near the top. This creates a balanced and visually appealing look. Since your tree is mounted on the wall, you won't need a tree skirt. However, you can still create a designated space underneath for presents. Consider a decorative basket, a cozy rug, or a gift-wrapped box to maintain the festive feel. Tailor your wall-mounted Christmas tree to match your existing home decor or create a specific theme. Whether it's a coastal Christmas, a vintage holiday, or a modern twist, the design possibilities are endless. If you plan to use your wall-mounted tree for several years, consider applying a clear protective sealant to your painted design. This will help preserve the colors and keep your tree looking fresh. Remember that your tree is mounted vertically, so it's important to use lightweight decorations. This not only ensures the stability of your tree but also prevents any damage to your wall. If you have small children or pets, make sure to hang fragile or valuable ornaments out of their reach. You can also consider securing the tree using anchors or brackets to prevent any accidents. Let's address some common questions you might have about wall-mounted Christmas trees. How do I secure my tree to the wall? You can use a variety of methods such as wall hooks, adhesive hangers, or nails. Ensure that whatever method you choose can support the weight of your tree and decorations. Can I change the design each year? Absolutely. That's one of the great benefits of a wall-mounted tree. You can easily repaint or redecorate it to match your evolving style or holiday theme. What's the best material for the tree base? Plywood and MDF are popular choices due to their affordability and ease of use. However, you can get creative and experiment with materials like pallet wood, acrylic sheets, or even repurposed doors. Do I need a tree topper? While a tree topper is optional, it can be a fantastic finishing touch to your wall-mounted tree. You can choose from traditional stars and angels or get creative with handmade toppers like a rustic burlap bough or a snowflake ornament. How do I attach the lights securely? To attach lights to your tree, you can use small adhesive clips or hooks. Make sure to space them evenly to ensure a consistent and beautiful glow. We wanted to share some wonderful examples of wall-mounted Christmas trees created by fellow DIY enthusiasts to inspire your own project. Some crafty folks have taken the concept a step further by crafting wall-mounted shelves in the shape of a tree. These shelves not only hold decorations but can also be used for books or other decorative items year-round. For an even more unique twist, consider creating a three-dimensional tree using wire or wood that protrudes from the wall. It allows for more creativity in ornament placement. Some DIYers have combined painting with tangible elements like twigs, pine cones, and fabric to create a multimedia masterpiece. This adds depth and texture to the design. If you're a fan of the great outdoors, consider using branches, leaves, and even small potted plants as part of your tree's decor. This brings a natural, eco-friendly vibe to your holiday celebration. So, there you have it, DIY enthusiasts. A wall-mounted Christmas tree offers endless creative opportunities and practical benefits, making it the perfect addition to your holiday decor. With some careful planning, a touch of creativity, and the right materials, you can create a festive focal point that's uniquely yours. Remember, the best part of any DIY project is the satisfaction of creating something with your own two hands. Whether you opt for a minimalist, rustic, or whimsical design, your wall-mounted Christmas tree will undoubtedly add a touch of holiday magic to your home. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fantastic DIY projects. Happy holidays and happy crafting, everyone! Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.